What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to do a quick video on how to make sandbags. So for some of you who can't operate year-round outside due to weather or other reasons, maybe you got a chance to do some indoor setups, gyms, churches, school events, people got warehouses, whatever the case may be, you can't stake into the ground, you're going to need to use sandbags. So quick, easy, simple way to do this. So first and foremost, get you some sandbag cases, right? So these ones are Gorilla Bounce. I actually really like these ones. I get them off Amazon. You can get them in a like a 10 pack is probably the most cost effective. You can get them in a 10 pack, 100 and some dollars. So they're about $10 to $12 a piece. But you get these. I like these ones because they've got the carabiner clip. So you clip your carabiner right here, clip it right onto the tether on the slide or whatever you're setting up, bounce house. So nice little easy clip there, and it's got a handle there so you can carry your sandbags like that. So these ones easy off Amazon. I'll throw the product link in the description as well. What else you're going to need? 50-pound bag of sand. You can pick these up at Home Depot, a couple bucks a piece, no problem. The only issue with getting these bags that I found is a lot of them leak actually when you're picking them up at Home Depot. And the guy at Home Depot told me that that's just how they come. They all are going to be leaking some, but get yourself 50-pound sandbags at Home Depot. Duct tape, obviously an essential item for this. And optional, and other folks do it this way. I don't, but garbage bag. So I'll show you real quick how it works, how we do it. So we take the duct tape, and really all we do is duct tape around our sandbags. That creates a little extra tightness around the sandbag, so kind of puncture resistant, hopefully. So you can do it multiple ways. You can go, long around. You can go short and just wrap around. You can just tape the ends if you'd like. I mean, however you want to do it, totally fine. I started out by taping the whole thing. Now I get into it. I usually just tape the ends and the corners. Don't mess with this a lot. One, I just don't like using a lot of duct tape. And two, it's just quick and easy and timely. So like I said, so you can just, tape the corners however you want. Real quick, I'm not going to tape this whole bag here for this video because that's just kind of a waste of time. Personally, you get the gist of it, right? So here we go. So boom, you tape this bag. The other option you can do that I've seen other people do for sandbags is actually pretty easy as well. So before doing any duct tape, they take the garbage bag. I don't recommend using 50-gallon black garbage bags on these things because they're small. But this is all I had handy, so I'll just show you real quick. And so what other folks do, you throw your sandbag in a garbage bag like this. You tighten it up, obviously, and then you hit it with your tape around 5-6 times. Now you've got an extra layer there just in case the sandbag rips some reason, it leaks into your garbage bag and not all over your sandbag. Again, my personal opinion, the garbage bag is not going to keep anything from puncture proofing the sandbag, so it's kind of an added step for me. So that's just kind of my opinion. But when you're done, everything goes into the vinyl cover here. Nice and easy. I usually do these on the bed of my truck because that's a lot easier to get into. But drop them like so. Push down the extra air. Hold your vinyl flap over, your Velcro flap over. Boom, there you go. Now you got a sandbag done. Carrying handle, take it with you, go anywhere you want. So when you're sandbagging your units or tethering, like with the tethers, make sure you read the instruction manual to find out how much weight, you're going to need to tether those anchors. That way you meet the requirements. So most likely you're going to be at least 2 50-pound sandbags, so 100 pounds per anchor point. Might even be 3, even 4, depending on what kind of unit you have. So that's the quick and easy on how to make a sandbag. If you have any questions, comments, drop them in. I'll do my best to get back to them. And good luck.